Shenlanko here, getting ready for the spring with the good old Z. I'm gonna have to polish my wheels. Big pain. Took the battery maintenance off for the winter. Had that plugged on it. Keep the battery charged. And I said to myself, my door's kind of worn out, the hinges, and I was going to replace, look at these, I was going to replace the bushings with the new pin on these door hinges. The bottom hole there, on the top and bottom, were opened up. Even with the new bushing and rod in there, they were still loose. So I had to order a new set of these driver side top and bottom hinges. It was like $100, and I have to put them in now with the door. What a pain. I have to do it. Took off the door. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'll have to clean it all up and get ready for the spring. I have a feeling it's going to be a royal pain to put this door back on and align it. I got our new strikers for the door too. So that'll be a nice little project. And then I clean it up, buff up them wheels, and she'll be ready for cruising in the nice spring summer weather. Oh, there she is. Beauty.